ambassador at College Innovators, chief executive member of Go Healthy, and author of Pay to Faith. I am here back with day 17 of KP Video Challenge. So seriously, if you haven't watched my day 15, day 16, so kindly go through that and come back here because it is going to be series of stories here right now. So you will be able to understand so many things which I have shared in the previous videos also, right? So right now, so I am very excited, okay, to share some of the things, okay, so in today's day 17 of KP Video Challenge, right? So okay, so one question in my mind, right? So why everyone has to learn technological skills, right? It's only for engineering or those who into technology, those who want technology thing, right? So I'm from BCom or BBA or medical. Why should I learn, right? So even some of you might have the same question. So I guess, right? Yes. So the answer to here is, okay, how many of you use mobile phones here? Definitely you will be using, if you are watching my video, so definitely you will be having Facebook account or any apps, right? Then smartphone you will be using, right? So since you are not a technical background person, will you stop using mobile phone since it is made by technology? Definitely no, you are right? So similarly, right? So technology is not somebody those who into technology only, right? It's for all. It's a tool to solve many people's problem, right? It's solving your problem. That's why you are using mobile phone. Similarly, okay. So the multiple skills, okay, which will be related to many field, right? It's very important to know because my mentor said it's very important to know 4% or have the 4% knowledge of anything that you do, right? That is there in the world, right? So that is the one, right? Now, so consider, okay, so if you consider a god, right? So will the god have one hand or multiple hand? Exactly, multiple hand, right? Multiple hand with multiple tools, right? So if you have multiple skills, exactly, you are like a god with multiple hand, multiple tools. So if you consider the same Dwarapalaka's house outside, okay, will they have multiple hand or two hands? Two hands, right? With the one tool, right? If you are with one skill, that is exactly like how you are having, okay, so Dwarapalakas with the one, right? So if you want to be worshipped inside the temple, or you should be valuable in the market, you should be like a god with multiple hands and multiple skills, multiple tools, right? So this is what I wanted to share. And people say, so I am too busy, okay, I have exams, I have those things in college, that internship, that is going on, this is going on, so hectic, I don't have time, right? Similarly, right? So consider farmer. If the farmer tells the same thing, I don't have time to water my plant, I don't have time to take care of my plant, so will the plant grow? No, because he believe that it's his future, right? If you believe that, okay, so your future is valuable and you should be like getting fruits in the future, in your future, right? You should give time to, okay, so make yourself valuable with the skills. That is what I wanted to share. That is, okay, so if you don't have time to yourself, who can else give, right? So you should be giving time to your future, building yourself or building skills. So it's very important, right? Yes. Then people also ask, okay, so right now, okay, so I want to build only one skill, okay, so why should I build other skills? Consider the sweet shop. If you go to a sweet shop, how will you know that sweet is my favorite? How will you know? Correct. This is, if you taste that, then only you will come to know which is your favorite sweet. In the sense, you have to taste all the sweets that are there in the sweet shop. Similarly, to know what is your favorite skill, then you should be experimenting all the skills, or you should be building all the skills. Then only you will come to know, so what is that favorite skill, and you can continue from that, right? So it can be app development, AI, or virtual reality, which is exciting for you, okay, but you should be experimenting all the skills. Then you can tell, okay, this is my favorite skill, right? Yes. Okay, so some of the people think, okay, so getting job is the luck. Okay, so it's a luck. But my so which I have my mentor said is, so luck is true. So luck is the when you have preparation for that kind of opportunity, right? When the opportunity meets preparation, that is called luck, right? So if you are already prepared for your job, whatever you want, okay, when that opportunity comes, you will definitely get it. That is your luck, right? So right now that my question is, are you prepared for that? Are you equipped with multiple skills? So do you have that belief that, so I'll make the choices, like I will not let go my life, okay, so how it will be happening, right? So if you don't have any answer right now, so yeah, so think on it, okay, so decide it, because decisions change the life, right? So okay, so right now you can take action, okay, on like I'll be sharing the link below to connect with me in the Google Forms, or so to pre-order my book, I'll be sharing the link below. And so for the gifts and the next upcoming webinar, okay, so all the links will be there, okay, click there, okay, take decision and change your life. So see you tomorrow in next video. Thank you so much.